Now the second step of parsing our map involves loading all the tileset data described in the file. For each tileset, we need to create a new image, set a callback function for once it's loaded, and then set the source value to the tileset's image attribute. This is the same basic image loading process that we've been using previously. It's worth pointing out now that we're kicking off asynchronous loads of images for our map data, which already has been asynchronously loaded. As such, we may want to actually wait on setting the fully loaded flag to true until after all the images are loaded. To do this, you'll need to use a counter variable to keep track of how many images have been loaded, and only set the fully loaded flag to true once all the tilesets have been successfully loaded into memory.